the Jew.
Hey there!
We're out here on stage tonight to do a show for you. We got Peterson on the violin, and Quagmire and Joe will be joining in. We got Stumpy Seamus on the lead guitar, and he's going to give you a great big
break! Oh, God, they put so much work into theirs. I didn't know we could rip off movies.
And from then on, Lady Redbush and Griffin Peterson lived in peace and happiness.
Oh, Griffin, I love you.
And I you.
Let's grow old into our 30s together. I want to have a baby with you.
And I want to be there when you die giving birth to him.